See this road behind me? That is the road to the Syrian border. We left Beirut about a half hour ago, and we've been traveling through this beautiful Lebanese countryside. How far are we from the Syrian border?
It's 15 kilometers.
Yalla!
Yalla.
We've arrived here at the Lebanese side of the border. I don't think I'm gonna be allowed to film, so I'm just kind of capturing really quickly here. And then we've got like a 15-minute drive to the Syrian border. This might be the longest border crossing I've ever experienced. I guess we're allowed to film. Nobody's stopping me. Okay, that was easy. We're now stamped out of Lebanon, heading back to the bus for the 15-minute drive to Syria. We just exited Lebanon. Where are we now?
We are between the two borders, no man's land.
We're in no man's land.
Yeah.
We're actually in no country right now. How much money is that?
2,000 euros.
2,000 euros? And each one of those bills is worth how much?
40 cents.
40 cents. That's the biggest bill. Maybe you should get a more sturdy bag. At least you have two of them. And just like that, we're in Damascus. First impression? Very quiet, very peaceful. I've already had someone come up to me and welcome me to Syria. Kinda looks like Beirut a little bit. I have to say, a golf cart was the last thing I expected upon arrival into Damascus. Salam alaikum. Are we in Dubai or are we in Damascus? To the golf course. This is ridiculous. Welcome to the 5-star Hotel Talisman. Look at this place. Your name is?
Olaf.
Olaf.
Hello.
You're all our guides?
Yeah.
How are we so lucky?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Garine.
You're the general manager of this lovely hotel?
Yes.
I am blown away at how nice this place is. What? Wow. This place is huge. Thank you so much. Shukran. We got the bathroom over here. Wait a second. There's a chandelier in the bathroom? Okay. Look at the size of this room. Not only that, but an outdoor seating area. It's my first day in Damascus. It's my first day in Syria. I'm excited and I'm nervous and I don't really know what to expect, but I'm ready for it all. Yalla. Most of the stores in Syria and in Damascus get going around 10 a.m. It's 10:15 and the city is starting to wake up. Oh, hello. Are you selling balloons? They're allowing me inside of this bakery where they're making stuffed bread. Let's take a look. These are the black sesame seeds that are going inside the dough. Just a few of them for flavor and for looks. Let's try. They actually have a good flavor to them. They're probably going to be stuck in my teeth all day though. It's super hot outside. It's even hotter in here, so that's the end of my visit here. Pretty cool though. Free bread, free bread. Yeah, go ahead, take it. It's on me. Okay, so here they're eating the bread with hummus?
With hummus, with full, yeah.
And this is breakfast, basically?
Yes, it's breakfast. We eat it all day, but breakfast mainly, yeah.
Do I have some black things stuck in my teeth?
No, no.
I feel like they're...
No, no.
No? Okay.
No, no.
This is pate,
This is pate.
which is basically chickpeas, yogurt, and tahini.
Tahini.
This is full.
Full, yeah.
You will eat all of this?
Of course.
And then no lunch, just dinner, right?
إنه ما حنتغدى.
No. Just the night.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
This street used to be full of antique shops and handcrafted shops, but because it's so expensive and mainly it was only for tourists, when the war started, they all closed and opened like things for the locals.
I kind of like it better because it has a more local feel, but I'm
Yes.
really sad that the souvenir shops aren't here for the locals.
Yes.
Welcome to Syria.
Shukran, Habibi.
Welcome, Habibi.
Unsolicited welcome to Syria's. Amazing. This guy here is selling vegetables right here on the
Yes.
street. Does he have to pay for this location?
No. He will like take approval from the neighbors if that's okay with them.
But what if someone else gets here before him in the morning?
Because everyone knows that he's in here, no one will take his.
He's here forever.
Yes.
Good luck, mashallah. Mashallah. How old is this city?
8,000.
8,000 years old, and the buildings look like they've stood the test of time. How were they affected by the recent earthquake?
Actually, we were not that affected, but we had two buildings that fall because of the earthquake, but they were already damaged by war, we think. That's why they were the only one to fall.
So Old Damascus was, for the most part, spared of the earthquake
Yes.
and of the war destruction.
Yes.
Hey guys, while Damascus remains relatively intact, most Syrians have suffered from crippling earthquakes and war. By watching and sharing this video, you shine a light on the human side of Syria, and for that I can't thank you enough. My channel slogan is See for Yourself. Please subscribe to help me spread positivity.
Welcome to Syria.
Yes, this is the oldest continuously inhabited city on earth, but it could be anywhere. Meaning, it feels like any tourist town. There's no bombs going off. There's no shelling. There's no sirens. It's just daily life. This is like a bicycle rickshaw. So there's a chair on the back that you sit on. Take a look at this. You just get on here.
It's called taxi.
Taxi meaning it's
A
the back.
bicycle, but taxi.
Oh, it's a bicycle taxi. I've seen that in other countries, but I've never seen it where you sit on a plastic chair
In Syria, we see a lot of
uncovered.
things.
That's crazy.
You will see a lot of things in Syria.
I love it. What is that?
Araq sus. You can try
looks
it.
like medicine.
You should try it.
Of course. It's refreshing, but not sweet.
Yes, not sweet.
I like it. This guy just offered me some of his food. What is your name?
Hadi.
Hadi. My name is Philip. Nice to
Nice
meet
to
you.
meet you.
Yeah, let's have a bite of food.
Try it. Bismillah.
My friend, this is the first thing I've tried in Syria.
That's a pleasure of mine.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Shukran, Habibi.
Thank you for joining me.
It's lunchtime, and believe it or not, this is one of the nicest restaurants in town. A little tabbouleh, a little fatouche, a little hummus, a little bit of everything. Look at that. This is lentil beans.
Lentil beans with pomegranate.
Pomegranate?
Pomegranate, yeah.
Kebab.
كعب الغزال
Gabal gazab.
كعب
Gabal gazab.
الغزال
Gazab.
yes
Oh my god. Syrian food is the best.
So you're gonna allow me into the kitchen?
Yes.
This is a treat.
Let's go.
Yalla. Salam alaikum.
Our friend from America wants to see the kitchen.
I just had this amazing meal.
كعب الغزال
I just gobbled it up. It was so good. How much time does it take to make this amazing?
10 up to 20 minutes maximum.
You're actually making one right now.
Yeah.
A little lard. That's what made it taste so good. Into the oven. Oh, it's heavy. Woo! How did I do? Can I work here?
Yeah, of course.
Shukran. This is the start of the Gabal Gazar. That's just like the fat from the lamb. That's what makes the dish. That's this basically. Yeah. Little garnish. Pepper. Don't forget the nuts, chef. Shukran. How's business?
Doing good.
Alhamdulillah.
What's your favorite thing on the menu?
Ka'b al-Ghazal. That's amazing.
Thank you very much.
Most welcome.
Behind me right here, this is the Christ Tower. This was a church before it was a mosque. This is like almost 3,000 years old. Let's go take a look.
This is your skirt.
It's very wide.
I know, but you must have it.
What do you think? Amazing.
Stylish.
Tell me about this Umayyad Mosque.
Umayyad Mosque. 9,000 years ago, it was a temple for God Hudud in the Aramaic era.
9,000 years ago?
9,000 years ago, yeah. Then it became a temple for many gods, of course, during civilizations, till the Roman came and they made it a temple for Jupiter. Then it became a church for John the Baptist.
John the Baptist?
John the Baptist, yes. When the Umayyad came, they built a mosque next to the church. So Muslims and Christians used to come from the same gate, but pray in different places. Until the 1700, the Umayyad country made a deal with the Christians for them to give them the church part to make it as a big mosque, and instead they give them some land in the eastern part of the city.
This is unlike any mosque I've ever seen. And like Ola just said, there's a reason for that. It's because, well, it wasn't a mosque for most of its existence. Definitely looks more like a church than a mosque from this side. So behind me, it's kind of hard to tell, but this right here is the largest mosaic in the world. It represents what heaven should look like. I've seen a lot of mosaics in my time. This is the most intact and the most detailed and the most beautiful I've ever seen. So when this became a mosque, I don't even know how you describe it. This area right here behind me, this actually was used to store money and important documents. Another thing that's unusual about this mosque is that this huge plaza is barely used. It's only used for special occasions. In fact, the doors to the mosque behind me aren't open today, and they're not open most days. Only again during special occasions do they enter through these doors. The actual entrance to the mosque is way over there. How many times have you been inside of this mosque?
I think like now at 100 times.
100 times?
Yeah.
Do you ever get sick of it?
No.
Yeah.
Because every time new question, new people, new perspective about this mosque. Yeah.
You're gonna have to speak to Beaker.
Beaker, how do you find the Umayyad Mosque? What do you think?
No, Beaker doesn't speak that language. Beaker just says,
Me. Beaker.
This place is so beautiful that even the locals are taking selfies. Behind me is where the head of John the Baptist is buried. There's a story there, there's a miracle that makes it significant to both Muslims and Christians. And so even though this is a mosque now, this mausoleum is revered by virtually everyone. Okay, now on to the Souk.
From 9,000 years ago.
9,000 years ago?
This is the only piece, yeah.
The tallest one is 9,000?
Yeah.
We're literally walking through the entrance
Yes.
to the Jupiter Temple,
Yes.
which is that arch behind us,
Yes.
which goes to what is now the mosque, which used to be the Jupiter Temple.
And the church.
And the church. It's so complicated.
I know.
Any self-respecting Middle Eastern country has a spices bazaar, and this is the classic spice bazaar. Assalamu alaikum. If you're gonna get in here, get in here. Come on.
Welcome Syria.
Thank you. Habibi. Syrian Viagra right here. I feel very strong.
Eat this.
He just keeps giving me stuff. I think it's sesame. He just kept giving me stuff and saying, eat this. So now I have 3 different things on my head. I don't know what's going on here.
Welcome to Syria.
Shukran, Habibi.
حبيبي أهلا وسهلا.
You? La la la.
He's buying it for someone.
That's what all the kids say.
Yeah.
So we just walked through the bazaar to this incredibly gorgeous old trading post. It's called a Caravanserai. They have them all over the former Silk Road. Honestly, I've never seen one anywhere near as beautiful as this. Welcome to Syria! What is your name? And your name? They recognized Beaker from my YouTube channel. This is crazy. Oh, thank you.
Welcome to Syria.
Are you looking forward to some YouTube videos with Beaker? Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Waiting for it.
Thank you very much. Very nice to meet you. Bye. Mobile dress guy.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. Shukran.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Sadiq.
Sadiq.
Welcome.
Leaving the bazaar behind, we next visited Azam Palace, the largest and oldest completely preserved private residence in Damascus. Built in 1749 by the Ottoman governor of Damascus, Asaad al-Azam, this lavishly decorated house took 2 years and over 800 workmen to complete. I was especially impressed with the hand-painted wooden ceilings and the welcome candle. The palace is now a museum, highlighting VIP life nearly 300 years ago, and was one of my favorite stops in Old Town. There's so much more of the country to explore. Join me next as I uncover the newer, more modern side of Damascus. Then we visit awesome UNESCO sites like Palmyra and Hama. Welcome in Hama! The castle called Krak de Chevaliers. My favorite city, Aleppo.
Welcome to Syria.
The seaside town of Tartus. And last but not least, the outrageously delicious food and the most lovely and resilient people on earth. Once again, if you're considering a trip, please contact my guide Fadi to understand the current safety situation. For now, please subscribe to follow as I spread positivity about Syria and other misunderstood countries like Iran, Iraq, and Afghanistan. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.